to Bull Peak, one of the highest, or actually the highest peak here in BRT. What you gotta do? Go! Go!
Run!
Oh yeah, that's what you should do.
On our way, as mentioned by B, going to Bulacan Peak, highest in Dona Remedios Trinidad. They claim that it might be the highest in Bulacan, but let's see if it's really higher than Mount Oriot, as people used to claim. Let's see how accurate things are. Kervin po. 안녕하세요.
Run!
Hey, go, 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 go.
Took us a while to weave our way through the forest. It was gnarly. Running was out the window. It's all trekking. Bushwhacking our way through as we joked around whether we can make it flawlessly. The ants were vicious, and so were the bees, spiders, sand mites, and mosquitoes. Most often we were caught by the thorny rattan plant. I was gashed by a poison ivy too. It's a good reminder that mountains are not always curated for us. We are just visitors anyway. Added pain was the heat and the lack of water. We were depleted 5 kilometers out and the member was already having a headache. It's not a new experience. It's just we didn't gear up for this occasion.
think?
Not easy.
Lots of ant bites.
Level 2, level 2.
Probably it's a spider bite also.
Was yours a spider bite, sir?
There was a spider bite. Pretty fun. Yeah, definitely one of those toughest climbs. You gotta be prepared for it. The view's worth it. The view deck.
Months from now, I'm sure the experience of future visitors will be much more comfortable, as trails will be properly funded and developed.